Are you a developer? One of the things you can do is to go to ablestate.co and join to network, learn, and get job opportunities. Go to ablestate.co, click Start Now, and it will take you to this page over here. You can see that recruiters can come over here and search for talent. They'll put in the skills that they expect the developers to have. They'll put in the location. Then they can search. They can also see the developers here, and they can hire those developers. Now, for you as a developer to get on this platform, click sign up. So when you are signing up, you can sign up with your LinkedIn account, GitHub account, GitLab, or email, and full name and password. I recommend to sign up with your GitHub account. Why? Because every recruiter would like to know that you have a GitHub account to see how active you are as a developer. So in this case, sign up with the GitHub. For me, I've already signed up, so it logs me in. When it logs you in, you won't be like the way you see me here, because for me, I've already added my information on the profile. It's good to have a tagline, a bio, a GitHub account, skills, and some project and education background if you have. If you don't have an education background, put your experience, put the skills you have, and make sure you have a GitHub account. So if you are new and you don't know how to edit this or to add this information, click at the top right on the icon. If you've not yet added your profile picture, it will be an icon with an initial of your first name. Then click profile. You will land to this page which does not have information. Then you click this pencil over here. Once you click that pencil, you can now upload your photo or delete the current one. You can put a background picture here to make your profile look nice, or a background color. For example, I'll put a background color, and you can add your full name, add your tagline, your phone number, your gender, your GitHub username, your LinkedIn profile page, and your Twitter. By the way, I encourage developers to have Twitter accounts and be active on them, because they will help you to get into the Twitter tech community, where there are also many opportunities. Save. Then you will see that profile updated. Now you can as well edit your skills. You can search skills here, or you can add. So these are the skills that I added, and these are the skills the system suggested for me. I suggest you add skills where you are pretty good, or where you want to improve, so that if someone gives you an opportunity, you let them know. Then you click here to add or change the project or delete it, the project that you've ever worked on. Then here, education background, put the latest. For example, if you finished university, you can put your degree here. If you've not finished university and you're like me, you've gone to online schools like Udacity, yeah, go ahead and put Udacity there like I did. Then around here, there are jobs. So if you want to apply to a certain job, you click there. Job listings will be here. You can filter jobs here. You can search by location and see where the jobs are. You can click here to see details about a job, and you can click here to apply. So if you want to apply, these are the things you are going to put. Provide your phone number, provide your email, and as well upload your resume and send application. Then the other important thing is to go pro. Here on your profile, you can see a button which is reading Go Pro. So what happens with this is that this system is meant to have two categories of developers, the general and the pro, or the premium. So if you want to be part of them, all you need to do is click Go Pro, and this page will be loaded. Once this page is loaded, you can now simply schedule for the test of a particular category. So to schedule for a test of a particular category, click the calendar, and then click the date and click schedule. The system will ask you if you want to re-edit or to reschedule or not. So if you don't want, you cancel, and your test will be scheduled. And you can now come to the culture fit, so on and so forth. You can also chat with the fellow developers by clicking here. Then you can chat with them if they are online. You can also talk to the Ablestate support. That's it.